Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create a Discord account on a laptop. We will start by opening the official Discord page from our browser. Next, click on the top Login In button. After this, a login window will open. Here we will click on the Register option. After this, we will enter the data of our new account and click on Continue. After this, our Discord account will be created and we will be able to access it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.